academic achiever with honor in the class for the school year 2023-2024, given this 31st day of May 2024 at Parañaque Elementary School, Central San Dionisio, Parañaque City. Okay, so hindi na natin makatagalin. Nandiyan na si Ma'am Julie. Okay, so Riley James L. Amagli. Palawan natin si Riley. Okay, academic achiever with honor, Johan Ford Bislenio. Certificate na lang. And academic achiever with honor, Eliza Smith Batin. Tatlo sila. Isabi ko po yung medal, sinabi ko talaga agad.
Ano sinabi?
Ang nanay at
Ay, bawa ka mo ka ilang video. Video.
Sino yung una kong tinawag? Riley. Ikaw po na. Picturean niyo po silang mag-ama. Okay. Palaparan natin si Riley Jane. Okay. Next. Johan Kurt Bislenio. Palakpakan natin. And the last, Eliza Smith. Napicturean